This is financial reporting paper which was tested by KASNEB on 26th of November 2015. So I'm presenting this paper so that you can use them for revision of the upcoming exam of financial reporting, which are usually tested by KASNEB for those doing CPA. This was called CPA Part 2, but currently it is being called CPA Intermediate Level. So the first question, Dora Limited, a quoted company dealing in household goods, has prepared the following trial balance as at 31st December 2014. So you can see the trial balance. And this question, we have the additional information. And this question required in Part A, an income statement, and B, a statement of changes in equity, and C, a statement of financial position. So in the pages to follow, I'll show you the answers. Then question 2, with reference to International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS, discuss the accounting treatment of government grants, including the disclosure requirement. Then B, this is information from the bank. So the question of Part B, Roman 1 required an income statement for the year ended 30th September 2015 for Bodeni Commercial Bank, and Roman 2, a statement of financial position as at 30th September 2015. We now go to question 3. Am and Bara are equal partner in a firm that buys and sells jewelry. The financial year end of the business is that 1st December. So this is a question on partnership, and it required in A, income statement in columnar format for the partnership and the company for the year ended that 1st December 2014, and B, statement of financial position for the company as at that 1st December 2014. Then we go to question 4. In the context of International Public Sector Accounting Standard IPSAS 19, provision, contingent liability, and contingent asset, distinguish between an executory contract and an onerous contract. Summarize 4 disclosure requirements in relation to provisions. Then Part B, you have been given some information, and it required a statement of financial position for the Ministry of Commerce and Industrialization as at 30th June 2015 in accordance with IPSAS 1 presentation of financial statement. And Part C, income statement for the year ending that 1st December 2015 and that 1st December 2016, and statement of financial position as at that 1st December 2016 and that 1st December, this is 2015, and that 1st December 2016. Then D, outline the main benefit of sale and leaseback transaction to the vendor. And finally, question 5, you have been given some information. So this question required a consolidated statement of comprehensive income, B, statement of changes in equity, and C, statement of financial position. So now let us go to the answer. We have the answer to the question, to the first question, the income statement. So this is the DORA income statement for the year ended that 1st December 2014. Then we have the workings for that income statement. Workings, and then workings, and then we have the statement of changes in equity. This is the statement of changes in equity. And Part C, we have the statement of financial position. So now, this is the statement of financial position of Dora Limited. And current asset, long-term financed by, then long-term liability and current liabilities. We go to question 2. accounting treatment of grants is discussed here. Then part B, we have income statement for Bodeni Commercial Bank. So this is the income statement. And then we have the workings for that income statement. And then the statement of financial position of Bodeni Commercial Bank. We continue to the next question, which is question 3 of the partnership Amubala and Ambala Limited. So this is the income statement for the year ended that 1st December 2014. Then we have the workings for that income statement. We have the computation of goodwill here. And then we have the statement of financial position. So if you have any question regarding this paper, you can ask in the comment section and I'll answer your question. Then we have the question 4, a difference between executor contract and owner's contract. Then for disclosure requirement in relation to provisions. And B, statement of financial position as at 30th June 2015. Then we have some working, and then part C. This is the extract of the income statement. Then we have the working. This is the lease amortization schedule as a working in that question. And this is the extract of the statement of financial position as at that 1st December 2015 and as at that 1st December 2016. Then this is the main benefit of sale address back transaction to the vendor. Then we go to question 5. This is a question of group accounts. We have the statement of comprehensive income. Then we have the workings. Workings for that question. Then we have the statement of changes in equity. And finally, part C, we have the consolidated statement of financial position as at 30th September 2015. So those are the answers. You can use them during your revision. You can compare. And if you have any question, you can ask. Thank you very much.